Back on Craig's 69 Bonneville. We go over the tank. I took it over to Bob's Radiator to have him check it out. And then we got a new tank. Alright. We're here over at Bob's Radiator. And Gary and I just took the sender out. Ruh-roh. That doesn't look good, does it, Gary?
No. I think they put red coat in it, which is a sealer.
Oh, joy. Well, son of a bitch. After searching and contacting vendors and this, that, and the other, we finally found a tank that will work for this application. It's such a beautiful thing. So no one makes a 69 Bonneville tank, but dimensionally and proportionally and volume-wise, this tank for a 65-66 full-size Pontiac fits. It interchanges. After calling a few vendors and confirming that they have put many of these in these, they're good to go. Alright, now we're going to begin the assembly. Very nice stainless fuel sender. Nice float, nice fuel sock, everything. Very nice O-ring. High quality, good stuff. Of course, brand new lock ring too. Tank's beautiful. Gonna assemble this, and then we gonna put her in here. Finally, sending units placed. We got the lock tab started. Now we gotta carefully lock her down. Sending unit, check. Lock ring, check. Let's get this car up and get this in. So after a lot of fighting, wrestling, and trying to get it in here, we got it. Had to go to the hardware store to get some bolts because we are adapting a 65-66 tank into a 69. But hot diggity damn, boys and girls, we got it. It's in. Just gotta hook up our fuel line, hook up our ground, and I gotta get our vent back here. Oh! But look, everything fits. I was worried because the filler neck was touching in here on the inner bumper support. But after we bolted it down, it pulled up nicely. Take the cap on and off like normal. Hooray! Just went and got gas in the Bonneville. The sending unit works! The gauge hasn't worked since Craig has bought the car. So, fuel gauge, check. Happy, happy, happy.